When you search for concrete crack fillers, everything looks pretty much the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, DAP Concrete Filler. First up is the DAP Concrete and Mortar Filler. What caught my attention was its simple tube design and affordable price of $10.71. If you're looking for an easy-to-use solution for sealing concrete cracks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The DAP filler is ready to use right out of the tube, which means no mixing or other additives. It's flexible, low in odor, and cleans up easily with water. Plus, it cures in just 24 hours, so you can get back to using your space quickly. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about its effectiveness on larger cracks. Here's the thing though, it's designed for smaller repairs. If you need to fill extensive damage, you might want something more heavy-duty. But for typical household cracks, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you need a quick, reliable fix for minor cracks. Skip this one if you're dealing with larger damage that needs more than just a patch. For under $11, you're getting great value for a straightforward solution. Product number 2, Magic Crack Filler 2.5 pounds. Next, we have the Magic Crack Filler by Theros Distribution, priced at $37.87. This one definitely caught my eye with its no-mess, easy-to-use formula. If you want an all-in-one solution for cracks of any size, then this is worth checking out. What sets this apart is its granulated formula that can fill everything from hairline fractures to larger gaps. Simply dampen the area, sprinkle the powder, and let it work its magic. It's designed to resist water intrusion, which is great for maintaining the look of your property. And with over 800 units sold recently, it's clearly making waves. That said, some users found it a bit tricky to get the right consistency initially, but honestly, if you're looking for a product where you can just sprinkle and go, this won't be a deal breaker for most people. Just make sure to follow the instructions closely. This is perfect for DIYers who want professional results without the hassle. Skip this if you prefer a liquid filler or need something for extensive repairs. At this price, it offers a solid solution for most homeowners. Product number 3, VeraClue High Elasticity Filler. Third on our list is the VeraClue High Elasticity Liquid Cement Crack Filler, retailing at $12.61. I was impressed by its elasticity and versatility. If you want something that adapts to ground movement and is waterproof, this is a great option to consider. This filler penetrates deep into cracks and forms a strong waterproof barrier. It stays flexible even under extreme weather conditions, which is critical for outdoor applications. It's also self-leveling, meaning you won't have to worry about a messy finish. With around 300 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among users. However, some reviews mentioned that it takes a full 24 hours to cure completely, which can be frustrating if you're in a hurry. But honestly, if you're looking for durability and a long-lasting seal, that time is worth it. This is perfect for homeowners who need a reliable outdoor solution for various surfaces. Skip it if you need something quick drying or are dealing with large surface areas. For its price, it's an excellent choice for quality and performance. Product number 4, Generic Magic Crack Filler. Now, let's talk about another Magic Crack Filler, this time from a generic brand, priced at $37.82. Its unique no-tool application really grabbed my attention. If you need a straightforward solution that anyone can use, this is worth your consideration. This filler is designed to handle cracks of all sizes, which is a big plus. Just pour it in, add water, and watch it bond. It's made to blend with most concrete finishes, making repairs nearly invisible. With over 200 units sold, it's clearly appealing to DIY enthusiasts. One downside is that because it's a dry powder, some users didn't achieve the desired results on their first try. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a fantastic way to get professional quality repairs without hiring anyone. This is perfect for those who want a quick and easy fix for their concrete surfaces. skip this if you prefer a liquid solution or want something for extensive damage. At around $38, it's a nice investment for effective repairs.
Product number 5, Love Boat High Elasticity Filler. Finally, we have the Love Boat 4.5 ounce high elasticity self-leveling cement crack filler at $63.12. This product is impressive for its multi-surface versatility. If you're looking for something that offers premium adhesion and weather resistance, this one is definitely worth a look. This filler is designed to withstand ground movement and temperature changes, making it ideal for high-stress areas like driveways and sidewalks. It also forms a waterproof barrier once cured, protecting your surfaces from moisture. Its self-leveling feature means you're less likely to end up with uneven surfaces. With around 200 units sold recently, it has a solid following. However, some users reported it being a bit pricier than others on the market. Here's the thing though, the price reflects its quality and long-lasting performance, which can save you money on frequent repairs down the line. This is perfect for those who want a high-quality, durable seal for various applications. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or need something for minor repairs. For the quality it brings, the price can be justified. To wrap it up, we've covered some solid options for concrete crack fillers. The DAP concrete filler is great for quick fixes, while the Magic crack filler offers hassle-free application. The VeriClue product excels in elasticity, and another Magic crack filler is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Finally, the Love Boat option is fantastic for high-quality repairs. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and your concrete will thank you.